Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail. This is from John and Nicole from Not the Cool Dolls. Oh, is that lovely? Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, and there's more. How cute is that? Oh, and there's a card. It is a happy mail birthday present. How cool are they? Not the Cool Dolls, my butt. Happy birthday to my sweet friend. Happy birthday. Wow, she must have made this. Happy birthday, Marna. We hope you had an amazing day. Nicole and John. Thank you so much. This is just the coolest. I tell Nicole all the time that she actually lives near me, and they do. And I met them in Hobby Lobby. They had a Smart Doll with them, and they were buying fabric to make Smart Doll clothes. I'm gonna put that on my doll in just a second. Let me see.
It's really beautiful.
God, I love this purple. Purple is her favorite color. Met them there.
And mine.
Yes, it is. Met them at Hobby Lobby. Found out later they live less than 10 miles from me. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, that is so cute. And I like short skirts. I like them short and sexy, and that's how I wore them. Oh, this is for Pear. We'll have to show this another time. Oh, look. Oh, is that cute? Oh, that is so cute. They make the cutest items and sell on Etsy. Oh my God, that is so cute. Let me put this on my doll. Oh my goodness, the craftsmanship in these outfits, or this outfit, unbelievably cute, unbelievably well made. Look at this, working pockets, little zipper. I have to show you how cute this skirt is. I like hip huggers. That's what I always wore. That is just the cutest little skirt. I love it. Thank you so much, John and Nicole. This jacket, I was going to show you. Wait a minute. Let me pull it back down. Has a functioning hood. Let me take this off again. Oh, gosh, this is so cute. So stinking cute. Look at that. Perfect for a spring day. She's got her hand kind of monstery there. Perfect for a spring day. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Look at the cuffs and that's me, not them. This is sewn beautifully. Just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at the craftsmanship in that. Thank you so much. I will link Nicole's channel in, and from there you'll be able to find her Etsy shop, and you're going to want to go look at that. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you again, Nicole, and what a cool card. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.